Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to easily switch between devices on your Logitech Wave Keys keyboard. It's pretty simple. You have these three keys right here, and if you have a device connected to them, just click on them and it'll switch to that device. If it's blinking, then it didn't connect to the device, but if it's solid, after a moment it has been connected, and if it's solid like instantly, that's also connected. But when it's blinking, it's in the connecting mode and sometimes it just doesn't connect. If you click on something and it doesn't light up at all, then it has nothing connected and assigned to that port. So in order to go to the pairing mode to assign something to a certain port, click on the button you want to assign something to. For example, I'm gonna press and hold on the button 1 because I think I've lost connection. And then I'm gonna go to my iPhone. And I'm gonna go to the Bluetooth settings and I'll see my keyboard here. So I'm gonna just click on it. And now I need to enter the code. If you don't know how to connect to iPhone, there's a video on our channel which explains it more in detail. And now you can see it's in solid, so I'm currently connected. I can switch again to my Windows PC or to my Mac, because that's how I have these assigned. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.